Today, we celebrate a milestone. LTL Galvanizers Private Limited, celebrating 25 years at the Sapugaskanda factory premises. To honor this special occasion, we're embarking on a journey that will leave a lasting legacy for generations to come. A journey rooted in our commitment to the environment and our community. In a world where every action counts, we're taking a significant step to reduce our carbon footprint. Each of our dedicated employees is gifted a tree, a symbol of growth and sustainability. These trees, planted right here at our factory premises, will not only beautify our surroundings but also contribute to a healthier planet. This initiative is more than just planting trees. It's about taking responsibility. Each tree will be nurtured and maintained by the very hands that planted it, reflecting our personal commitment to a greener future. Together, we grow. Together, we thrive. And together, we make a difference. LTL Galvanizers Private Limited, celebrating 25 years at the Sapugaskanda factory premises, with a promise for a greener tomorrow.